Hey everybody, I hope you're doing great and feeling well. I'm Mary from Hyperpix, and today I'm back with the Thor movie text effect, which is created the most similarity from the original style, and you can just convert your text into this beautiful style easily and use it in all your different projects. So like all of our other products, this one also works on all the other languages. This is how it works on Japanese. Just check out the brilliant details. Which easily you can use any language or any font you like. You're totally free. And finally, to download this for hyperpix.net, get the VIP membership, and you're going to have complete access to this style and also so many more subjects and styles, retro, Photoshop actions, text effects in all different subjects, movies, and have so much fun. So to get started, we just right click on the yellow layer and select edit content. So in this window right here, all you need to do is just type your idle text just like this. You don't need to do anything else. If you want, you can just change the font or not. Just close and click save. Everything is going to get applied automatically, just as you saw right here. Our style is applied. The first group right here is the adjustments folder. From the top we start, which is the settings of the brightness and the contrast, which you can just play around the layers and get some new results. The next part is the label from Marvel group. We could just double click and edit the text, type any text you want instead, or you can just minimize the box a little or enlarge it. The next part is this little text at the bottom right here, which you can just double click and edit or type anything you want or just remove it. The next part is also this text right here, which is edited easily. Just double click and type anything you want. Here we go. We have the letter space right here between the characters, the gap and the distance, which you can edit. The next group is the effects folder, which we just ignore it because it contains the main styles. So finally we have the background folder, which everything's in layers in the background. From the top we start, we have adjustments. We have the particles, which are in the background, which you see them. They have such a huge effect. So we have the snow in the background, which you see. We have the adjustments one more time. We have the sparks, which you can just drag any you want and move the place and place wherever you want. We have the particles one more time, which you can customize. We have gradient right here, which is the inner shadow around our style, which you can switch it off or just leave it remaining. Particles, adjustments one more time. And finally we have the lightnings, which you can just drag to wherever you want and customize easily to your likings. And finally we have the sky folder, which you can see the effect after switching it off. Or if you want to have your style in transparent, you just switch the effects folder on all the others off, and we have a brilliant transparent right here, as you see, which enables you to get a PNG outcome and use in all your different projects. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and just refer to hyperpix.net, get the VIP membership, and you're going to access this style and 100 more. Don't forget to like this video if you like. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and bye to one more video from Mary.